How to save and share seeds. Hello everybody, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can save and share seeds and use it for next year. Let's go. So it's time to harvest this. We're trying to save the seeds for this. Trying to harvest it. You can use a knife like this, or you can use a so just cut it up like that. This one is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna use a garden shear like this. Just cut it up. Okay, that is it. So we got our two. So I've been growing Anchia for like 4 or 5 years now in the US, and this is the first time I'm able to get the seeds, full grown seeds like this. And that's because I started some of my seeds indoors and then transplanted them outside and carried them from the previous year. So we're gonna go ahead and then start trying to get our seed from it. So here is our Anchia seed, our Anchia bulb. We're gonna try to get seeds from the Anchia. So let's start with this small one right here. I'm just gonna break it in the middle. Outside is a little bit hard, but just have to break it. You can see those are the seeds inside. So what we're gonna do is just pull out the seeds, put it in our paper towel, spread it like that. We harvested this one about a month ago, and just let it to continue breaking down inside, so that way it's soft and nice like this. So we'll do the next one. This one has a couple of them in there. So we're gonna do the next one. I'm just gonna break this one. This is the biggest one that we have. Just go down the middle. The stem is a little bit hard, but you can see the inside. It's a lot of seeds. So let me get closer so that you can see the amount of seeds that are in there. A single bulb like this can give you close to 100 seeds, which is not bad compared to not having seeds at all. So definitely it's going to help us get a lot of seeds and make sure that we have enough seeds for next year. So now we're going to try to take this out. Just say press it like that. They are very tiny seeds. Let me bring it closer. Just show you, just press it like that. And the seeds come out. You can see the seeds. So seeds come out like that. So you get a lot of seeds in one bulb like this. So we'll do the last one now. We still had This last one we're gonna do, just do the same, just break it in the middle like that. Just press it. Same with this one, just press it. So this is enough seed for at least 2 years. If we are planting it at the rate that we planted that this year, should give us at least 2+ years if we don't. So these are the seeds. You can see there's a lot of seeds. So what we're gonna do is just spread it out like that. Spread it out, and once it dries up, then we can store it. But we're gonna come and just let it dry, then we'll come and maybe put in another container for it to dry further, or just put it where it's gonna be very sunny so that it dries up. Once it dries up, we can store it. So that's how you pull out the seeds from our Anchia bulb. Give a closer look. You can see the seeds, very tiny seeds. So to help it dry much faster, I'm gonna get another piece of paper towel and just put it on top, smush it on top. It's gonna absorb some of the liquid from it, and thereby helping it dry a lot faster. So I'm gonna put another paper towel on top and then cover it. Hello everybody. So this is the Anchia after about a week. You can see dry. You see the seeds. So it's dry. You can see it's coming off. So some of them, it's a little bit sticky to the paper, but it's when you squish it like that, it comes off easily. The best thing to use, I should have used also would be something like newspaper or non-stick paper, but if you don't have those, or you use paper towel like this, is still fine. But all of them are coming out. So you see that's we have our seeds now. We can store our seeds for next year. So that's how you get Anchia seeds for next year. You harvest it, dry it, and save it. You want to one important thing when you're saving it is you want to put it in a nice, cool, dry location, and also you want to label it so that you know exactly when it was harvested. Because if you save it for too long, maybe after like 3, 4, 5 years, the seeds are not going to be as viable as it is the first year or the second year. So just make sure that every time you save seed, you label your seed so that you know what type of seed is it. What type of seeds you're saving, and the year it was saved, so that way you have an idea of when you save it, so that you use the old ones first, and then make sure that you make good use of the seeds. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.